Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your BatchLeads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your BatchLead paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your BatchLeads account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different software provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your BatchLeads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my BatchLeads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and cancel your paid subscription, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initials. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on My Workspace. All right, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click on Billing. Once you click on Billing, you're going to see these four options at the top. Make sure you've clicked on Subscription Plan. Once you've done that, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see this little Cancel Account button. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, BatchLeads is going to ask you why you want to cancel, so go ahead and choose whichever one applies to you, and then click on Next. Okay, from time to time, BatchLeads does run various promotions, so it looks like they're offering a promotion to me. So you can go ahead and choose to accept that, or if not, click on No Thanks and continue to your cancellation. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my BatchLeads account. But there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your BatchLeads account or paid subscription, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.